Hi guys, how are you doing? In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to get a flawless base, a nice eyeshadow look, something for your Valentine's Day maybe. And it is basically a very girly pink look that you can pull off on a Valentine's Day or a day out or a Valentine's Day. So watch the whole video. Maybe I'm gonna make parts of it like how to get a flawless base, we blush, contour, highlighter, my eyes. So this is a very nice pink glittery look that I've done. I hope you enjoy it.
Hi, so I basically do my eyes first because eyeshadows can have a lot of fallout. So I prime my eyes with the L'Oreal Base Magique Primer. I do not use an eye primer as of now. So after that is done, the second step is using a concealer. I'm using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. Always conceal your lids while using eyeshadows of dark colors or bright colors or pastel colors as well, because then the eyeshadow color will show beautifully, like the exact color of the eyeshadow will show. You can use your fingers to blend it out. The third step is to use a loose powder to stop your lids from creasing. Now I take my Color Studio eyeshadow palette and take the lightest pastel pink color. Apply this color all over your lid. All the details will be in the description box, so please check it. Now with a smaller brush, go on with the darker pink shade and apply it on the outer corners of your eye. Blend till you see no harsh lines, and blending is the key to a perfect eye look. With the Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty, take the color Angelic and with your fingers only, take a little bit and put it on the middle of your lid. Now work your way through a semicircle sort of shape with the angelic color. This duochrome color on your lid will make your eyes pop and give you an illusion of larger eyes. Now I'm taking this very beautiful glitter palette, pressed glitter, and taking this beautiful pink color, and I will put it directly on my lids. I do not need any glue. Going in with the liquid liner, this is by Sugar Cosmetics. Just create a stroke and now create another stroke. It is so simple, it is very easy. Now one more hack that you can use for doing your eyeliner is hold your eyelashes really very lightly and then create a wing liner. You can adjust the thickness according to your look, according to your eyes. This is how I prefer. You can complete this look by adding some mascara and you are good to go. The finished look is in the next video, so make sure you watch it.